How to take your processes beyond efficient. You've worked hard to review all of your department's processes and have eliminated bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Now everyone knows what to do, and turnaround times have dropped from days to hours. Now what? Hi, my name's Tony with the Integrify team, and I'm going to share with you 6 ideas to consider to make your processes more efficient. First, focus on user experience. Ensure users have a positive, enjoyable, and rewarding experience when interacting with your new system. Admins can conduct user research with surveys to ensure the final process is optimized for the user and provides a seamless, stress-free experience. Second, operationalize maintenance. Make sure your processes remain efficient and effective over time. Review procedures quarterly or yearly to ensure they're still optimized. Pause here for some questions to consider while reviewing your processes. The third idea is to handle exceptions. Even the best planned processes can't catch every exception before it happens. Once your process is running, review exceptions that constantly appear and adjust forms and add additional options and rules. Fourth, get creative with coaching and training. Developing creative ways to remind process end users how to use the system can go a long way to keeping things moving smoothly. For example, you could use screen capture tools to create quick, punchy videos or documents showing how to perform tasks. You can also host quarterly lunch and learns to reinforce best practices and update changes to the process. The fifth tip is to spread the efficiency. Many processes cut across functional areas. For instance, onboarding an employee involves almost every department. However, that doesn't mean each department utilizes workflow automation. Processes that feed processes are faster, and eventually, the entire organization is more efficient. Finally, continue to optimize. It's easy to be satisfied once you have a process up and running, but by continuing to learn, you'll grow your Integrify admin skills. By following these tips, you can take your processes beyond efficient and create a truly optimized workflow. Integrify, making you more productive.